So we go again to downward dog, and from here you have choice. If you can lift the right leg into a 3-leg dog, and then you can do that. In this case, the heel should be on the floor. And then bring the knee to the front and to the side. If you can't do that, then you just from here bring the weight forward and bring your leg to the front. Okay. So the idea here is to bring the hip from the leg that's stretched over the body so that the hips are in one line. In case of tie, so but if it's too much of a stretch, you can always put the pillow under the gluteus muscle here, and then just go forward and stay here. You can also use a pillow to just lie down and stay here a little bit.